Moko kuom senetas mag kweth mar Azimio kotenegi kod seneta ma Nairobi Edwin Sifuna osingo mar wito oko paro mar chik mar gero ute ma nengogi oyueyo kane gilose liel moro Yata kaunti ma Machakos. Jotelogo wacho ni gero ute ma nengogi oyueyo biro medo jokenya osigo mar pek mar ngima. Sifuna bende okwedo weche maliekore ni senetas mag Azimio gengo chenro mag dongruok mag counties mano kojiwo governors mondo olom senetas gi osir chike makonyo e gero counties.
Nephew, and I'll say this as they come.
We as senators, as we leave Kitui, I don't know what you're telling, as we leave Machakos, I don't know what you're telling your senator, Mama Kavindu. But myself from Migori, ndugu yangu Sifuna from Nairobi, we have been instructed by our people to stop that housing levy. Stop here, stop. Stop. Let me tell you, teachers, as I finish. If you must insist on housing levy, do it with some of decorum the way Singaporeans do it. Instead of forcing people to buy houses, Mr. President, simply say, I am going to come to Kambani, mtu ambaye ana nyumba ya nyasi, nimpatie 50,000 aongeze kwa nyumba mabati.
Hizi pesa zote na taxes ambazo tunakatwa zinaenda wapi? Zinaenda wapi? Ade mnasema punda amechoka. Si museme kwa sauti kama mnasema punda amechoka. Punda amechoka. Kodi zote ambazo tunaongezewa sisi kama maseneta wa Azimio tunakataa. Hata hiyo motion ya housing tunaenda kuangusha.
Raila Odinga esiro mongirore kendo tado mosebedo ka kelo